Everyone during their lifetime would have thought like this. It would be so great that if I am having the capacity to change someone else's mind, right? So if you are someone who has ever felt like this, comment below in the comment box section. Hello everyone, welcoming all to manifestingdreamadc.com. In today's topic, I'm going to discuss on how to change a specific person or change someone else's mind using law of attraction. Before that, if you are someone new, please consider in liking, sharing, commenting and also to subscribe my channel because it just motivates me to put the new videos for you guys. And also please don't forget to hit the bell icon for new video notification. If you are already a member of my family, please consider in liking, sharing and commenting to this video, as you all know that your comments are highly valuable to me because it's you guys who makes up my channel. Okay guys, so without wasting any time, let's dive into our video. So, how to change a specific person or change someone else's mind using law of attraction. This can be applied to anybody. This can be applied to your lovers, this can be applied to your husband, can be applied to your wife, your boss, your neighbors, your relatives, your family members, or it can be applied to anyone in this world. There is no such thing that this can be applied to only to lovers or this can be applied to only husband and wife, because this is applicable to each and every one of you. Okay, so if you are someone who is struggling with your boss, then I recommend you to use this method. If you are someone who is very struggling with your husband or with your wife, then definitely you can use this method too. Or if you are someone who is very much getting too much close to your friend and your friend is someone who is detaching from you, then definitely this video is right for you. So here I am going to break down this into three main points. Okay, the point number one, or we can say that the method number one, is give positive vibration to that person. Yes, you have to give the positive vibration to that person. Now you might be asking me that when falling in love or when we were friends or when we were getting married, that person was not like that. Yes, but due to all these stressful situations, stressful environment in today's life, what happens is a lot of negativity comes in and around, engulf the person totally. So it is our duty to give that person the positive vibration of us into that person. So now you might be asking me how to give the positive vibration to that person, right? Just by saying the affirmation. The affirmations are the great tool, or it can be said that the greatest tool for all your problems, can be said like this also, because by saying the affirmation again and again, not only it gives you a self-confidence, or not only it can make your mind to get affirmed, it has also the capacity to do what? To get whatever things you want. For example, if you are not having a healthy relationship with your lover or with your boyfriend, then you can see the affirmation like this. You need to see the affirmation like this: I am having a happy and a joyful relationship with my love, your lover's name. By saying this affirmation again and again, it affirms our subconscious mind. One thing that I want to make it clear to all you guys is our subconscious mind is the key to all our manifestation problems. Okay, so what you wanted to manifest, everything, each and everything, whether you're saying it in your conscious mind also, but if you're subconsciously, if you're not accepting it, then what happens is that particular manifestation or that particular affirmation or that particular visualization, whatever tools you are implementing in it, it will go in vain. So I'm asking you to affirm your subconscious mind, and that's the reason why I am asking you to practice the affirmation. By saying the affirmation again and again, it makes our subconscious mind feel that yes, I am having it in reality. Yes, I am having a happy and a joyful relationship with my love. So what happens is, when you're feeling confident, when you're feeling that yes, I am able to have a happy and a joyful relationship with my love, or I am having right now, it means that our subconscious mind has recorded that particular statement. And when we see the next time when we are seeing our partner, instead of anger or instead of shyness or instead of frustration or instead of jealousy, what we will feel, that we will look at the person and we will just smile. What happens is, there is no sort of negative energy, or there is no sort of negative vibration in between them, right? So that's the reason why I am asking you to practice this affirmation. By practicing the affirmation, I'm sure that you can give the positive vibrations to any person. Suppose it is for your boss, then you can say that I am having a happy and a joyful relationship with my boss. My boss always congratulate me, he always motivates me for my work. Then you can say as many as things that you want. You can say that he is very supportive, he always praises you in front of your other colleagues. You can say whatever things that you wanted to have in your mind. Now understood why the affirmation is very important? It is important because this helps you to affirm your mind that yes, you are having a happy and a joyful relationship with that particular person. And the step number 2 is, just neglect the current reality of that person. That person may be either not talking to you, that person may be either not texting to you, that person may have said that I don't have feeling towards you, or that person have moved on. Maybe it might be your mother-in-law, your father-in-law, your sister-in-law, or your friends, your families, your boss, your colleagues, your neighbors. No matter what that specific person does, but still you have to think that yes, this is a short-term character of them. I am going to win over them. I am going to make them to do the things that I really wanted. For that, what you need to do is, you need to take a pen and a paper, and then you need to write down what and all characteristics that you want your boyfriend to have, or you want your girlfriend to have, or you want your boss to have, or you want your wife to have, or husband to have, or anyone else. For example, I'll take the case of the boyfriend. So you can write like this: he wants to love me, he wants to care me, he wants to protect me from every danger, he is so romantic, he is so caring, he is so affectionate towards me. Like all these character traits you need to bring on. Okay, then what you need to do is, you have to practice the visualization process. Yes, here you are going to implement it. Then you need to visualize as if it is happening to you right now. For example, you and your boyfriend is going to a beach. There your lace is open. He is tying the lace for you. He is buying you ice creams and chocolates, all those desires. He is protecting you, and he is so protective over you. Then he is protecting you from the crowd. He is protecting you from each and every danger. He is taking care of you when you are sick. Just bring all those emotions into it. Just bring all those emotions and just implement it in your visualization technique or the visualization process when you are doing it. So you comes to know, if you at least don't know what these emotions are like, then please see some romantic movies. From those romantic clips, whatever that heroine or that particular hero is doing, just see that, capture that particular scene in your mind and replace that hero and the heroine by you and your boyfriend. This is the ultimate example I can ever give you, or any YouTuber is going to give you. So you have to picturize that in your mind, and you can just remove them and just replace them with you. Okay, you and your boyfriend. And I'm sure that now you will be feeling these emotions, right? So what kind of stupidity he is doing right now or she is doing right now, just ignore the current reality and just become the end of the result. What you want to become the end, what is the end result that you want to get, just focus on that. Just focus your energy into the end result. Then I'm sure that definitely you can win. You can definitely change the specific person. Okay, whatever whom you are wanted to change, that particular change is guaranteed. Okay, so now I hope you understood the step number 2. And step number 2, what you have to bring is, you have to bring all those sort of emotions that you wanted that particular person to have for you. Then you have to implement it into them. Then I'm sure that that person will be slowly started to implementing. You can see, because when you are the source of that particular energy will be radiated to that person. Just as we see the sun is radiating a solar energy to each and every living organisms in the earth, right? In the same way, just consider you as sun. Just consider you as the energy of love, and you are completely radiating that energy of love towards that person. Whatever you are feeling, that person is able to feel. Just make a connectivity through the mind. As we say that the mind to mind connection and all, no? So just make that mind to mind connection. Just feel what he is feeling. Just make him, when you are feeling the positivity towards him, then he will be also feeling that positivity towards you. When you are feeling that negativity towards him, that negative emotions will raise. So that only I'm asking you to see the affirmation first and just neglect the current reality, what is happening to you right now. And the third step is letting go. I know that this is the most difficult process in our manifestation process. For example, a lot of times this might have even happened to you that you are continuously thinking of something, and when that particular thing doesn't happen to you, we become very sad, we become very desperate, we become very needy. Whenever there is an energy of needy, whenever there is an energy of desperation, the law of attraction or the universe always gives us what we want. Like attracts like. If we are in the state of energy of needy or desperation, then the law of attraction or the universe will definitely grant us the same energy. Instead, focus on the abundance. Instead, focus on the love. Focus on the love energy that is considered to be as the most highest energy that I can ever see. Focus on love. Focus on your feminine energy. Then I'm sure that you can definitely manifest that specific person back, or you can definitely change that specific person. So I hope that these methods are very easy for you. And now what happens in letting go means you have to let go of your fear, anxiety, depression, and you have to focus on the end result. As I have already told you, you can think that yes, that is going to happen and that will be definitely manifested, I'm sure. In order to manifest anything, you should reach the same vibrational energy of that particular person. So for example, if you want to manifest love, then what you should have? You should have the vibrational energy of love within you. You cannot accept the other person to love you as such. That is not possible. You have to become the energy of love. Remember, everything in this universe is based on energy. So what energy you are currently based on? Whether you are based on the energy of love, then the love will be radiated. If you are in the energy of hatred or frustration or anger or any sort of negative vibration, then that particular energy will be generated or vibrated. So now it's your choice which energy that you should vibrate. I also always knows that we all want the positivity around us, right? So pick the first one. Always be in the energy of positivity. So I hope that by using these 3 methods, you can change a specific person's time. This is a buy from manifestingdreamadc.com. I have written a detailed post on this about this in my website. You can really go and check it out. In my website there I speak about manifestation, law of attraction practices, then about money manifestation, about SEO, about financial management, on all these things. If you guys are interested, you can definitely go and check out my website, and the link will be provided in the description box for you. Till then, take care, stay tuned, and bye bye.